hours.
For 2 hours?
1 hour and 3 hours.
Oh, here it is.
And this one coming through. It's orange now. How orange?
Where that works this time.
Yeah,
This one nearly done.
I know. I don't recommend putting your hand in it.
Welcome to Jackass. My name is Keegan. See what happens.
Yeah.
I guarantee Jackass will do that one day.
Yeah. Not Johnny Knoxville though, which I think he retired.
He done the last movie, number 4.
Yeah, he got hit by a bull, I think.
A boost.
Yeah.
Jesus. By Johnny Knoxville or
Yeah, Johnny Knoxville. That was his final study of the bid.
getting in from fucking movie.
Yeah. Wearing a magician's costume, I think. Yeah.
I guarantee he's getting old as well.
Yeah. Steve-O is freaking nuts also. He's crazier than on the other guys.
We man been there with the day one.
Yeah.
And Magic. Ooh, we can actually feel a lot with this.
Oh, I think there was I was
Sorry. Sorry.
I think that was mine because I was trying to put whether this one is between that one, but it messed up and already clicked the base.
97%, 2 more minutes. Now when the action figure need to have some pots. I need to take out some pots carefully.
Me too. All 3 of them.
Specifically, I need microphone glass.
Yeah. I put this in 80 input and these 2 are 50. So maybe this one will be slower than these 2.
You got a minute left.
Yes. And then 3 minutes to let it cool.
Ow. Ow, why did I hit
What happened?
the guitar? Ow.
Oh.
Ow. I didn't see that coming. Wow. Right, 36%. Hey, 100%.
Yes.
Let it cool down first.
Yeah.